Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and this is my new best friend. This Mulberry silk pillowcase is so soft. I love the way my skin and hair looks after sleeping on it. It has a zipper, which means my pillow does not sneak out. It stays neatly tucked inside. There's also a cooling aspect to the fabric. It really does feel cool and stay cool to the touch, so no more hot face or hot pillow. And my husband is always stealing my pillow, but now I can easily identify which one is mine because of this beautiful and vibrant pillowcase. I have it in the size king. This is the pink leopard, and the instructions say that you can machine wash it or hand wash it. I throw mine in the washing machine time and time again, and it comes out gorgeous. This pillowcase will not disappoint. Not only is it gorgeous and incredibly soft, it has a zipper, which means it's going to keep your pillow safe. No escaping. I love this pillowcase, and that is my point of view.